This is the drill video for Core English Level 0, Video 2, Alphabet Common Sounds. Drill 2, Letter Sound to Name Recognition. You will hear the sound of a letter, then say the name for the letter. The correct name will play shortly after. Let's start. A, B, B, K, C or K, D, D, E, F, G, G, H, I, J, J, U, L, M, N, O, P, Q, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, W, X, Y, Y, Z. Well done. Do this drill over and over until you are completely happy with it.